In this video, I will show with you how to apply for ABN number for Australian. So click on Google for this keyword, click the website, this one for a government website. You will this page form, click apply on this one. And then all you have to do, you will see important information, click agree to prove and correct information, and then click next and just wait. From here, you should be apply for Australian business number and choose individual. If you have campaign, you can choose campaign. You will activate be carried on Australian, click now. And then are you making supply connected, and then click now. Are you applying, click now, and then click next. After that, you will see this page for application details. Click on the next, and then just wait to see this page. From here, right, you have individual and then application currently and Australian business. Click now. Does this application reapply Australian number? Click yes. And then does it apply as your tax file? Click yes if you have a tax file number. And if you wish apply tax file number, click now and then click next. After that, friends, write your business taxation business information here, and then write your business information, guys, from here, and then click next. After that, you have associations details, such your titles, Mr. and write your first name and the name and your name, family, and all these details, guys, and then click choose this birthday, and then all you have to do, write next. From here, write your reason to application and then complete these steps. This is what we can do, guys. It is simple and easy steps. I will guide helpful for you. See you on other videos.